'cause I got bills to pay. I can't be waking up at someone else's place. I know I drink.
So hello everyone. 5 years ago, Bithumb is being set up in South Korea, and then today the 5th year, and then next month, it will be the 6th anniversary for Bithumb. And then today, I'm going to talk about the Bithumb family, which we just introduced the Bithumb family in Seoul last week. So Bithumb family, the initiative is to create a value network, which sorry, hold on. So Bithumb family is to form a value ecosystem with new production relations, and then to empower all the business. And then its aim is also to improve the infrastructure of blockchain industry and provide the ease of adoption for a user-friendly, convenient blockchain infrastructure. So the value ecosystem, it will be a new production relationships. And then this is aimed to change the original distribution system, and then distributed ledger function is the crucial aspect of the blockchain, and then is to accurately record the contribution of each party in the events of business activities, and to distribute the benefits through the form of tokenizations. Next, it's also used to enable the status and relationship of each party to be contractualized and realizing the transfer of value. So now, I'm going to introduce Bithumb family, which is our financial hyperhub, one by one. So Bithumb, I think everyone here knows Bithumb, is the largest exchange in South Korea, and then we have been the main driver for the last bull market since 2015 to 2017. And then today, we have around 8 million users around all the Bithumb family members. So Bithumb Global is an exchange that recently set up by Bithumb in order to capture the global market. So under Bithumb Global, we have Bithumb Singapore, Bithumb Chain, Bithumb Custody, Bithumb Economy, and Bithumb STO, and also Bithumb OTC in Hong Kong, and also a Bithumb Decentralized Exchange. And then now, I'm going to talk about the main business regarding the Bithumb family. So Bithumb family, through the trust company in Hong Kong, we are able to achieve the two-way access to cryptocurrencies and fiat. And then this will help us to actualizing the value creations. So we actually bought Invert Trust in Hong Kong, and then they are a chartered trust company license holder in Hong Kong. So Bithumb custody business was able to provide a real-time exchange of fiat asset, custody, and mainstream stablecoin, and we can also support the fiat solutions for more than 200 countries in the world. And then we are able to provide a direct trading between the US dollar and then the major stablecoin, and then user can just go through their bank account, which is mainly US dollar or maybe other 8 major currency, to our Bithumb custody bank account, and then they can actually get back the stablecoin, which is issued by the major stablecoin issuers. Then we're also able to provide the custody and settlement provide for global dollar holders, like everyone here. And then we can also help merchants like other exchange or our exchange to create US dollar market trading pair. So next, because according to the World Economic Forum, up to 10% of the global GDP would be stored on blockchains by 2025. 25th. We are also building a Bithumb securities token platform to enable the bridge between the traditional finance and the blockchain. So the ST platform, which we are now building, its value is positively correlated to the value of Bithumb family, because this will help unleash all the value in the traditional finance. So our initiative to build a ST platform is to create a one platform to trade everything. So let's review it. Bithumb Securities Token Exchange, which is currently still in application for the license, we'll have a very strict KYC and AML policy in order to capture, in order to get the license. And then we'll go through, we'll make use of the blockchain technology. And then under the regulation or regulator approval, we'll try to invite all the asset management company to come to trade in our ST exchange. And then we'll be the provider of the clearance and settlement, and then to welcome everyone to trade here. So now I'm shifting to the focus now, because I just mentioned that we'll make use of the blockchain technology to build the Bithumb family. So the value ecosystem is coming with a new production relationship that needs to be carried out and supported by the blockchain. So how Bithumb chain can do that? Because just like other mainnet, we can accurately record the contribution of each engaged party in the blockchain value network. And then this will also enable the status and relationship of each party to be contractualized through the smart contract. Therefore, Bithumb chain would enable the flow of value, information, and business in the Bithumb family ecosystem. So how does Bithumb chain will enable the flow of information, value, and business among the ecosystem? Basically, Bithumb chain will act as an infrastructure for the value flow, info flow, and also the business flow. And then through the Bithumb family, we will help all the business in all the industry, like whether DeFi, D-apps, or games, or other exchange, or maybe other wallets company, to create a value network. And then we will try to help everyone here to achieve a blockchain plus initiative. So through the various standard protocol, we are able to provide, we are able to help the business to grow. And then as of today, we already completed like token protocols, non-homogeneous asset protocols, pairs protocol, domain protocols, DEX protocol, and PSP trade transaction protocols. So we are actually building a lot of protocols that could actually help the real business, including games, and then like decentralized exchange. And then we can help everyone here to build a decentralized exchange with one click. And then people may be very concerned about safety. All the codes is actually being audited by NCC Group in London, and then they are very experienced over audit the mainnets. Like many mainnet in the market is actually audited by them. So what is profit sharing protocol? This is the only protocol that I'm going to share today, because this is our focus. So we are able to help all the users in the ecosystem to create exchange by one click. Through the profit sharing protocol, everyone who created an exchange, they're able to earn the benefit or gain the value from this action. Like everyone here can become part of the community to build their own exchange and run their own business. So here comes the main point today. There's one more thing that I want to review. I'm going to introduce the Bithumb coin, which is a native token of Bithumb chain. So Bithumb coin is a representation of the ecosystem, and then they are it will be the carrier of the values, and then the medium for the value exchange. And then through Bithumb chain, we are able to achieve the interoperability of the accounts. because we will have a very different account system for blockchain, and then it will be very different from all the mainnets that currently on the market. Bithumb family will realize the circulation enclosed in the entire ecosystem, and then help everyone in the other business to build their own blockchain applications. We will take care of all the developments, and then you guys just have the plug in set to integrate it into your business. And then the token economy will create a positive correlation between the BT and then the value of the Bithumb family, and then leading a high return in the very near future. Mark this word. And then Bithumb coins rise on Bithumb chain. So Bithumb coin will have the rights to use the system resource, and then they'll enable the voting rights in the chain governance. And then everyone who holds Bithumb coin can also participate in all the events held by Bithumb, such as the airdrop of tokens. So Bithumb coins rise on Bithumb family. Through holding Bithumb coin, you're able to enjoy discount transaction fee, and then 50% of the global platform revenue will be used for buyback until 150 million of the coin remaining. So holding Bithumb coin is able to help everyone here to become a Bithumb Global Prime member, and also become a community node. And then it also states the chance to vote on projects nominated by Bithumb Family Committee for listing. And then as of now, Bithumb and Bithumb Global have a single sign-on function, and then we finally unleash our users to global. And then to know more about the Bithumb coin and then Bithumb chain, please make use of the QR code on the screen, and then you can probably get more information, and then maybe around next week, we will publish more information about the Bithumb coin and Bithumb chain. So thank you, everyone.
If you like our videos and want more information about cryptocurrency and new ICO, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.